LPL Financial is the largest broker-dealer in the country, offering objective financial advice through over 13,000 independent advisors across the country. We had three strategies when we set out to design the San Diego Tower.
There are probably three significant features associated with this tower. One being the underfloor air system that's been implemented throughout this building. Second aspect is the use of LED lighting within this building, which has, through our energy modeling, reduced the amount of kilowatt hour consumption by 1 million over the course of an annual period. The third aspect, well, not necessarily energy focused, but water focused, which is a very important factor here in San Diego, is the use of recycled water for irrigation on the campus.
We wanted to be more aggressive with our energy savings, and we knew LED was out there and would give us those energy savings. But we were a little leery of the product. It hasn't been proven out in the commercial industry as much as fluorescence.
And what we found through our discussions with LPL, both internally and with LPL, is that for this scale and with the use of the GE system, it seemed to really make sense for them.
I think the difference in GE was they came in and educated us. They didn't come in and sell to us. When we first selected GE, I knew they were going to be a different partner right out of the gate.
Our experience with the LPL-GE relationship has certainly been a win-win.
They came in, taught us about LEDs. They made us aware that the product is here, the product is proven, and they also made us comfortable with the fact that GE is going to be there years down the road.
So for me, this building is really the embodiment of becoming an employer of choice here in San Diego and across the country, and really, if you will, putting our money where our mouth is as it relates to how we spend our capital and how we think about the business.
GE helped us design a very simple lighting control system that allowed us to benefit from the daylight harvesting of the natural light in the San Diego climate, but also able to divide the floors into multiple zones and allow dimming for the independent users within those areas. I think one of the key takeaways for me was there has to be a relationship with the owner and that end manufacturer. So for us, that was key. I don't think we would have moved forward without that relationship and without that engagement of GE.
The use of the GE LED light fixtures throughout the building, looking at that from an energy modeling perspective, there was a reduction of 1 million kilowatt hours over the course of the year, which in turn reduced the fuel cell kilowatt capacity from 600 kW to 500 kW. The building will serve as a benchmark for future projects based on what's been achieved in the net zero realm.
The San Diego Tower will be a model for future builds or renovations.
The combination of a reduced energy consumer coupled with the use of fuel cells to achieve net zero is a great story, and we believe it can be replicated.